Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sesame seed bagels. For the bagels, I first have to make a sponge. To do that, I'm going to add water to flour, sugar, and yeast. I'm going to allow this mixture to ferment for 1 hour. Now that the sponge has been made, the next step is to add remaining ingredients to the dough to make the bagels. Now that the dough has been made, the next step is to divide the dough into 5-ounce portions, roll them to 12-inch in length, and shape them into bagels. They will then be placed on a tray that is dusted with cornmeal, covered, and allowed to double in size. The trick, however, is to get that famous skin that bagels are known for. To do that, you have 2 ways to achieve that. Number 1, you take the bagels that has been proofed or double in size and place them into a refrigerator for an hour to even 8 hours. After that, you have to boil them into a solution 30 seconds on either side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube for more videos. And if you're seeing this on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.